Hi, welcome to Auto Tech Talk. In this episode, I will be showing you the exotic Brabus rockets, built with passion and abundant effort to produce icons that will forever be remarked regardless of the evolution of mobility. So, please stay tuned and please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you do not miss out on anything right here on Auto Tech Talk. First on the line, the Mercedes-Benz E63S Brabus 800, built to be robust, high-performing, and dominant in its segment. The upgrades on the design made by Brabus on the E63S is the carbon fiber spoiler lip on the front and wider openings on the bumper to reduce lift and optimizing stability at higher speeds. The Brabus rear spoiler, likewise designed for optimal aerodynamic balance, providing further downforce and completing the sportiness and elegance. The Brabus 800 features 21-inch forged 10-spoke rims with an all-round red trim, Platinum Edition Z wheels. The Brabus suspension permits a 10 to 20 millimeter adjustment depending on the selected drive mode. The performance under the hood is very impressive. It consists of an 800 horsepower, 4-liter, twin-turbocharged V8 engine and accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3 seconds with a top speed of 186 miles per hour. The unique leather of it features the Brabus badge, as the Brabus company says that no Brabus conversion would be complete without our signature. The infotainment is integrated with the digital cluster, designed in a very clean manner. Next up is the GLS 63 Brabus 800, one of the most luxurious SUVs, a true definition of presidential class. Its exterior design depicts a bold, fearless character. In the interior, one feels very prestigious. It features great entertainment screens on the rear of the front seat headrests, some nice head cushions for extra headrest comfort. It enables one to control seat adjustment even from the rear. When the rear seats are all folded, a maximum of approximately 84.7 cubic feet of space is produced. The infotainment is dominantly touchscreen based. The interior also features carbon fiber trims and panels and a beautiful blue theme color. And then, Brabus took it a step down further with their well-fabricated logo on the door lock pins. Its sound is monstrous, aggressive, and unmistakably predictable that it is a Brabus product. Under the hood, it features an 800 horsepower 4-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine and reaches 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.8 seconds in a top speed of 174 miles per hour. Next on the line is the GLE 63 Brabus 900 Rocket. Only 25 lucky owners drive it. Even the Brabus name printing detail is in pure carbon fiber. Yes, it may not have the camouflage color, but it has that military feel and a robust off-road feel. The plastic rear bumper on the GLE AMG line was replaced by carbon fiber on the Brabus 900. Likewise, the arc trims on the wheels, aerodynamic clamps on the rear bumper, and absolutely on wheels. Yes, if you love carbon fiber, then I bet this is heaven for you. Furthermore, on the exterior, the GLE Brabus 900 is fitted with the Custom 2 red stripe grille, of course, with the Brabus B badge. The interior is breathtaking, in tone gray with a touch of red matte chrome. The CEO's signature was added on the seats as well as an assurance that it was well built and given final inspection. Apparently by far, it is the loudest in the Brabus Rocket segment. It has 900 horsepower, a 4.5-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine. It reaches 0 to 6 miles per hour in just 3.2 seconds, excessively quick for an SUV, and reaches a max top speed of 205 miles per hour. And next on the line is the G63 Brabus 900 Rocket, the athletic icon of Brabus given a facelift, which features a front spoiler, resulting in the reduction of lift, aiding stability at higher speeds. Likewise with the rear spoiler to maximize the aerodynamics. The custom grille is integrated with ram air intakes to maximize cooling, and of course the two red stripes that when one sees them, they will know without a shadow of a doubt that it is a Brabus product. It's ready for launch. It's ready to take on any rival. It owns the track. Under its carbon hood, it features a 4.5-liter twin-turbocharged V8 900 horsepower engine. It reaches 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.7 seconds and reaches a top speed of 174 miles per hour. The masterpiece interior consists of the red matte chrome color, even on the pedals, black sophisticated leather seats, and carpet with red Brabus stitchings. And we are wrapping it up with the 4MATIC GT 900. The stylish luxury high-performance sports sedan is the answer to the question of what a track car would be like on the legal road. Built to perfection, integrating comfort, performance, and class into one. The GT900 on the exterior design features an economically tilted spoiler on the rear to reduce lift, large openings on the front bumper for max air energy flow for optimal aerodynamics and high cooling. Probably headroom could be a bit of a problem for very tall people, but quite sufficient. The stealth gray interior creates a very warm and soothing environment. On the doorstep, one is enticed by the illuminating red Brabus logo. The carpets are pure genuine leather with white Brabus stitchings. Only 10 lucky people across the world will get to drive the iconic GT. The impressive sound on the exhaust is achieved by the 900 horsepower 4.5-liter twin turbocharged V8 engine, reaching 0 to 60 miles per hour in 2.8 seconds. Top speed of 206 miles per hour, 774.4 pound-feet of torque. Price tag, $371,000 US. Hope you enjoyed this episode. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you do not miss out on anything right here on Auto Tech Talk.